Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. So first pair which I have is AUDCAD. As we can see on the weekly chart, price already retested this strong support here. We had reaction right now. It retraced to the area of the resistance, which is here. So what can happen right now? Or we will have situation that price will retest this and will go down again, maybe to retest again this or make the new lower lows, or we will have this breakout of this resistance and price might to go up. In case if we see that price is going up, our next area of the resistance is up here. Okay, and we also have this trend line which can react also like a resistance zone. So we go to daily, and now this line is far away, so we can remove it. So we can adjust a little bit our resistance on the daily here. And what we see that on the daily chart currently we have our situation which we like to see. We have daily short 1 to 3 right now. Price reached 36 CMA, which is area of the resistance together with this horizontal level. Now we can expect breakout, and after breakout of this line we want to go and sell this, of course target previous bottom. In case if price breaks this together with this daily trend line, yes, together with this line, this line was broken, so we don't need to draw this anymore. However, we also need to see that price is breaking resistance. Yes, so trend line was broken, but 36 act as an active resistance. So after breakout of those tops, we go and buy. Okay, so here buy and sell. So we go to 4-hour chart to see more details, and we see right now that price is sitting on our trend line. So whenever you have momentum, whenever you see momentum that price is breaking, this is making new lower lows after retracements, you are okay. And you can try to sell this and target this support zone. In between, you also have smaller support from the 4-hour chart somewhere around this zone. So whenever price breaks this, maybe price will go to this level, then small reactions and then continuations. Yes, or we'll just go down straightforward to this zone. Okay. Also 1-hour chart. Yes, whenever you want to. Whenever you see the price is breaking, you try to sell this, okay? And I wouldn't go right now to lower time frames here. I just wait patiently to see in which direction price might go. GBPUSD dollar. Right now, it's still pointing down. This is our previous bottom, which is our support zone. We also have next strong support lower, so there is still room for price to go down. Okay, of course, this is a strong down move. We also have this weekly trend line. So, or we will see still, you see price retraced to almost to the 12 EMA and to our resistance area, almost, yeah, because if we pay attention, our resistance, strong resistance is around this zone. So price didn't retest this. But anyway, this is also area of the resistance. Okay, you see some spikes here. So again, same story like always. I like to repeat. Yes, this is always area. Okay, so right now price is retesting this. So what can happen? Continuation of this down move to the previous bottom or to the important level, and maybe from these levels we will get this bigger retracement. Right now, daily chart looks interesting because we have situation that price almost touched our trend line, but was touching 36, and this also gave us daily short 1 to 3. Okay, so we had this daily short 1 to 3, and on Friday we had nice setup on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so this was daily combination with the 4-hour chart entry. So if you are still not in, and if you are interested to take this after market open, if price, for example, retrace a little bit, you can enter close, because here was our entry. You can still enter the stop loss above this. It will be around 100 pips, but our risk reward is good because it's around 350 pips. Okay, so this is option to go short. If you miss this, you have to wait for another 1 to 3. And then together with this possible trend line, you look for short scenarios on the. You can also try to take it on the 4-hour chart if you are still close to this trend line breakout. But if you are far away, then you have to combine this with lower time frames. Yes, so you need to mix this with lower time frames. You can also wait for the 1 hour chart right now, retracement, and try to sell it on the 1 hour chart time frame. Okay, so you wait for this and you try to sell this. So definitely GBPUSD is pointing to sell. New Zealand CAD, what we have, still downtrend on the weekly chart, retracement where to the resistance area here. Now it's pushing down. So where is our goal? Previous bottom or this previous spike. Okay, so we can leave the area where was this spike, and we still know that we have this previous bottom here. If we go back, we will also see that this previous bottom is also strong support zone. Yes, so this is what we have right now. We are in the downtrend, definitely. You see this, okay? So it seems that it's pointing down. On the daily chart, we have, yes, it was really nice combination because price retraced to the 36 EMA, retested. You see, spiked a little bit on the resistance, and now it's pushing down. We have, of course, this daily trend line, but it's far away, so price didn't retest this. Right now it's pointing down, so we are focused to sell this. And if you go to 4 hour chart, also here we had opportunities to take this trade. 4 hour chart short 1 to 3, okay? Entry stop loss target 150, so we have around 3 to 1. And then if price continue to go down, it's even 4 to 1, okay? So this was our opportunity on the 4 hour chart. Now you have to wait for another 4 hour chart, 1 to 3, and then you wait for the retracements, and then of course new lower low, new lower high, and you sell this. And lower time frames right now, I wouldn't go into 1 hour chart because you see it looks like a double bottom right now. So I don't have good conditions right now to the 1 hour chart. So I will wait for lower low and lower high to jump in. Okay, if you see that it's not happening, if price is making double bottom and then it's breaking this and going up, then you stay away. Okay, because to take the longs, you have to really wait that price, is breaking this previous resistance. Yes, then you have more chances that after breaking of this, price will make this higher, this bigger retracement. But if you are a day trader, yes, if you are a day trader, definitely after breakout of this area, you can try to go and buy this and target this resistance here because we can still have momentum. Same story for cable, yes? So if you are a day trader and you see that the price is not pushing down, but is going up, you can still try to take buy trades after breakout of this, target, of course, this resistance zone, which is, of course, here, yes? With this previous stop, maybe with the trend line, because we can still have that this is false breakout, another retest of trend line, and then continuation. So as long as trend line is holding, you can still, you are still more interested to sell. Okay, whenever price break this daily trend line, then you can try to buy this and go up. Yes, going back to the cable. So this is using the CAD. Also here, yes, whenever price breaks this up move, then we can expect maybe bigger retracement back to the resistance area. Okay, here, and of course maybe to this trend line. So this is using the CAD, New Zealand US dollar. What we have here, also down move, retracement where to the 12 EMA, which acts also as a resistance, but there is also resistance area, as you can see here. Yes. So price touched this. This is our weekly trend line. Previous bottom is our next support zone. So we are far away. So there is a lot of room to go to this. If this is broken, we can go lower. Okay. But right now it's simple. Yes. If price bounce here, we can expect short entries to this level. If price breaks this, we can expect retracement to the 36 and then to this trend line. Around the 36 EMA, you can also find area of the resistance, as you can see here on the weekly chart. So we have also on the daily chart, we have daily short 1 to 3, quite steep, but it's still possible to sell this. So we have this trend line and we wait. Yes, we wait right now to see the price breaking this. Then we try to buy this and trade in the retracement. Or here we try to sell this And of course, we try to target even this in between. On the 4-hour chart, you will find support area here. So maybe price will, break this. We'll have retracement around the support and then continuation. Okay. So this is what we have on the New Zealand US dollar. And in terms of the day trading strategies, if you are interested, you can look for buy entries on the 5-minute, 15-minute after breakout of this trend line above the 36 EMA, and then target this. So you will be trading in this wedge, in this area here. Okay. So this is New Zealand US dollar, and the last one is USDN, which is climbing up again, bounce on the 12. So we didn't have this bigger retracement to the 36, but bounce, and it's climbing again. Previous stops are, of course, our resistance. But let's try to look where is our next level of the resistance, and it's up here. So there is still chance that price simply will break this and will continue to go up. Yeah, there is still a big chance for this. Weekly chart, this is our trend line. Support zone is our 36 EMA, because we can expect retracement to there or to this trend line, but right now it's pointing up. So this will be interesting what we will have, because what can also happen, this is the best line which we can draw. What can also happen, or this will be like a triple top on the daily and then this bigger retracement, or price is gaining again momentum, we'll have some retracements and then breakout and continuation, or after, stopping here, breakout and continuation. Okay, so this will be interesting to see how price will react around this previous tops. Okay, so of course, whenever price retraces the daily 36 EMA to the daily trend line, you are still interested to buy this, because as long as we are above the daily trend line, we want to buy this. Of course, if price retrace by touching this, if you buy, your goal is of course this, and after breakout, your goal is up here. Whenever price breaks this trend line, then we are more interested to sell into retracement of the weekly chart. Okay. So we go to 4-hour chart, so we know what to do. Also here, if you like, every single retracement for now is option to go long, only for the day traders, because your goal is here. Okay, if you have breakout of this, and then you can even try to take the trade on the 4-hour chart, because if we get momentum, price can push up really strongly, like it was before. Yes, like it was here. That price was just pushing up. But until it's not broken, then you have to pay attention this, or keep in mind that this is your target. And also 1-hour chart, yes, if you have retracement to the 1-hour chart, 36 EMA, this is our trend line. Yes, together you look for buy entries, target, of course, this previous resistance. Yeah, so this is what we have. Retracement 4-hour chart, you buy. Okay. If you want to sell this, I would wait to see how the 4-hour chart will form, because if we have, for example, this, or even situation, let me just delete this line. For example, this, then retracement to the 36 EMA, then another attempt to break this, but without enough strength. If we can draw 4-hour chart trend line, okay, then if price will struggle here, you can look for sell entries after 4-hour chart trend line breakout together with a 36, and then target daily 36 EMA with this trend line. Okay, so it will be trade against main direction. So I would wait for this, because price is so strong that it's better to have clear confirmation that there might be weakness, at least for the daily retracement. Okay, so guys, that's all for this week. Wish you all great trading week, and hear you soon. Bye.